Good morning, children. In today's session, I'm going to give the book back answers in science for 4th standard. That is the previous class. We completed the term 1, that is lesson 4. So, term 1, lesson 4 is added there for the half-yearly exam. Now, I'm going to give you the term 2. Lesson 1 we already finished. Now, I'm going to give you the book back answers. So, take your notebook and write neatly, children. And same as I told in the previous class, that is, those are all, I think all are having the book. Take page number 67. I'll give you only the answers. Write down in your book. And when you're writing in the classwork, write with the questions. Okay, children? So 2 lessons for you. That is from the term 1. 4th lesson you have science in everyday life. That I gave you the book back answers, everything. So I think you have written in your notebook. Now, page number 67, I'm going to give you. Okay, children? That is this lesson 1. So 2 lessons for you for your half-yearly exam. Okay, children? So now first, Roman number 1. Choose the correct answer. So for you, the answer is first one, B, carrot. So that is, which one can be eaten as raw food? The question is. So the answer is carrot. Second, uncooked food is called. So C, raw food. 4 options are there. So correct answer is C, raw food. And the third one, solar cooker reduces. C, land pollution. Fourth one. And the fourth one is, which one cannot be preserved by drying method? It is A, rice. So mark in your book, children. Then which can avoid food wastage by? A, giving to the needy. Okay, children? So, mark it in your book. And when you are writing in your classwork, write with the questions. Okay? And write neatly, children. Next, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. That is, dash gives us energy to work and play. Already 2 options given. You have to write the correct answer. That is, first one is raw food. Okay. Then, pre-cooked food is easily dash. Again, the answer is digested. So 2 options, digested, undigested is there. So digested is the correct answer. Pressure cooker is one of the dash utensils. Answer is modern, yes. Then, fourth one. We need pure air, protected water and dash food for a healthy life. That is hygienic. Hygienic food. Then we make idiyappam by dash method, steaming method. By steaming method. Okay, children. So next is the match the following. This I'm writing in the book the straight answers. You have to write in your classwork, children. So while in the exam also, you have to write the straight answers, not putting the number. Okay, children, you are not the small children to put the numbers. So now you have to write the correct answers. Okay, children, in the book you can mark it like the numbers is 3, 5, 4, 1, 2. So now I'm going to give you the straight answers. Okay. So, grapes. What is the correct answer, children? Yes, raw food. So this is the correct answer what I am writing on the board, children. The next is a mixture of vegetables. Mixture of vegetables. So mixture of vegetables, that is salad. Then third one, electric rice cooker. Electric rice cooker. Third one, that is modern utensil. Modern utensil. Then earthen pot. Earthen pot. That is olden utensil, I said. Olden utensil. Then next, lassi fat food. less eat fat food. So less fat food, when do we eat, children? It is food during illness. Okay, food during illness. Okay, now next is that is Roman number 3 is mark the following, children. Then Roman number 4, right is or no, that is true or false we say, right? Is or no means true or false. So first one, biryani is a raw food. Answer is false. So biryani we cook, right? So it's a cooked food, so it's not a raw food, so it is false. Now frying is a method of cooking. True. Okay, then we can cook rice on a tawa. It is false. Then fourth one, cooking in a solar oven needs sunlight. Yes, true. Then 5, consuming too much oily food is bad for our health. It is also true. Okay, children, did you understand this? So I think you have written fully in your notebooks. So I'll rub the board now. So next we are going to go to the answer briefly question answers. You have answer briefly and detailed question is also there for you to write, children. So next Roman number 5, answer briefly. Okay, children. First question is, name any 3 cooking methods. Name any 3 you can write, your wish. Okay, so I'm writing 3 there, so any 3 methods you can write. Name any 3 cooking methods, that is boiling, steaming and frying. That is any 3 they have asked. Okay, only they have asked any 3 means you have to write any 3 only, not more than that. Okay, and frying. If any 2 means any 2 you can write like that. So you have to read the question properly and write the answer. Then write any 2 food items. Write any 2 food items you should eat when you are sick. So the answer is fruit juice and tender coconut, any 2. Okay, even porridge also you can write. So any 2 only they have asked. So fruit juice and tender coconut. Okay, children, any 2 points, any 2 only they have asked, any 2 food items. When you are sick, what you eat. So in this 2 I have written. Even you can write porridge also. Okay, so whatever. Then draw one of your favorite raw food and color it. So you can draw carrot. Okay, it's a raw food. So this carrot can draw as a raw food. I'm drawing as a carrot. Even any favorite raw food you can draw, like apple, banana, cucumber, anything you can draw. Here I have drawn carrot. So if you want you can draw carrot. Otherwise any raw food which you like you can draw and color it. You have to give the color. That is, if you have orange color you can color it. Okay, so you have to color it also. Okay, children. So next, did you finish this, children? By the following? Yes. True or false? I think both you have finished. And question answers also take down in your classwork, children. Okay. Don't waste the time, exams are nearing for you, so you can make it fast. Then fourth one, write about any two preservation method. Write about any two preservation methods. Okay, children. So the answer. So you have the answer in page number 66. Those who have the book. That is 4 preservation methods are there. Any 2 is enough in this. Okay. So any 2 only they have asked. That is, first you can write pickling. 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 That is mixing fruits and vegetables with oil and salt. Okay. Then example, e.g. is example, pickle. Okay. Then another they have asked, you can give as drying. These 2 methods is enough. Okay, drying, removing the water content of the food. Removing the water content of the food. Okay, children. Then next question is, how can you reduce wastage of food in your home? So answer is share the excess food. So you can reduce the wastage of food in your home. You can share it with your family members. Then give the excess food to hungry animals. Okay, children. So now next we will go to the answer in detail. Have you all finished this, children? Shall I have the board? Take down in your notebook, children. Yes, next. So next is, we'll go to the answer in detail. That is, there are, first is explain any 4 food preservation methods. Explain any 4 preservation methods. So the answer is for you. So same way we have written already 2 there. So here it is, since it is detailed, we have to write 2 more questions. Okay, children. So first one is pickling. Just mixing fruits and vegetables. Mixing and vegetables. Mixing fruits and vegetables with oil and salt. With oil and salt. Example, pickle. Then next, refrigerating. So refrigerating is keeping food in the refrigerators. Keeping food in the refrigerators. To preserve them for a short time. To preserve them for a short time. Okay. So example, fruits and vegetables, anyone you can write, or vegetables also you can write. Next, drying. Drying, removing the water content of the food. Removing the water content of the food. Okay children, that is removing the water content of the food. And example, fish and red chilies. Example, fish, red chilies. Okay children, next is canning. Fourth method is storing food in airtight containers. Storing food in a airtight containers. Example, jam. Okay children, so this is the first question. Next, second question is explain any 4 cooking methods. So they have asked explain any 4 cooking methods. So the second question. So next question is explain any 4 cooking methods. Explain any 4 cooking methods. Okay. So these 2 details enough for you children. Okay. This page number 16. Explain any 4 cooking methods. Also have the book page number 60. It is 4 cooking methods. First one is boiling. Boiling you can write. It is method of cooking food by immersing it in boiling water. It's a method of cooking food by immersing it in boiling water. Example, rice and egg. Okay. This is the first method. Next, steaming. So steaming. It's a method of cooking food in a steam by immersing the vessel in a container with boiling water. So it is a method of cooking food in steam by immersing the vessel in a container with boiling water. With boiling water. Example you can give as idli and idiyappam. Okay, children? Idli, idiyappam. Okay, this one. Second cooking method. Now third is, there was 4 only, children. So next third is pressure cooking. Pressure cooking. It's a method of cooking. It's a method of cooking food in a pressure cooker. Okay, it is a method of cooking food in a pressure cooker. In a pressure cooker. Okay, it is example rice and dal. Okay, children. So third method. Fourth method we can give as frying. So it's easiest method. That is, it's a method of cooking food in hot oil. It is a method of cooking food in hot oil. Hot oil. Okay. Example, chips, puri. So these 4 methods. Okay, children. So right, explaining 4 cooking methods: boiling, steaming, pressure cooking, and frying. So when they have asked only 4 methods, 4 methods is enough for you. Okay. So with this, we finish this lesson, children. That is, we have finished what and all we wrote: fill up, true or false, choose, match, then short answers, detailed answers, everything we have written. So for your, that is for your exam 2 lessons, children. That is from the term 1, last 4th lesson, science in everyday life, and from the term 2 and from the term 2, first lesson, food. Okay, children. These 2 lessons I have given you all the book back answers for you all. Learn nicely for your exam. Okay, the exams are nearing for you, so learn properly. Okay, children. Thank you.